Hey everyone, welcome to day 1 of Angular 20 Bootcamp. This is a 5-day series where you will learn how to build your first Angular 20 app by using a standalone architecture. Today's goal is installing Angular and exploring the folder structure and create your first component by using a latest standalone component architecture. So there is no needed module is not required to create for this approach. So why first? So first, why Angular? Angular is a front-end framework built by Google with help. This helps to create scalable and enterprise level applications. If you're aiming for a front-end developer role or want to work in a big project, then Angular is a powerful tool to learn. So let's install Angular 20. Before that, make sure Node.js is installed in the system or not. To check the Node.js current version, so this is the current version 2020 22.16, and let's check the npm version as well. Yeah, this is the current version of npm and Node.js. Now we will install Angular CLI. Angular CLI is a Angular command line tool. It will help you to generate component, services, module, such files. So we will install the latest version 20. This is my password. Okay. So as already installed in my system, so it won't take much time. Now we will create a project. To create a project, we have to type ng new, and for project name would be Angular hyphen Bootcamp. So we will set the flag, routing, and standalone. As we are creating the standalone application architecture, so we will mention the flag standalone, zoneless. So we don't want zone.js. For a style, we will select CSS. We don't want server-side rendering, so that's why we selected no. So currently it's installing all the packages. Now we will go into our project folder, Bootcamp. Okay, so here is the files. Let's open this folder, this project into a VS Code. So we will go into the project folder, and here is our project. So let's explore the file structure, folder structure. This is a main.ts. This is a bootstrapping of our application. It will help you to bootstrap your application. This is the entry point. App.component. Ts. This is marked as a standalone component. So you can see imports property. Uh, Now, so this is our app.routes ts. Here we can define our all the routes of our application. Now this is a app.config file.ts. It holds all the routings and providers of our application. So as you can see, there is no app module in this folder structure. Now we will generate a component. So this is a command ng generate a component hello world. So the component name would be hello world, and we will mark it as a standalone. So here are the 4 files got generated in our folder structure. Hello dot. This is a CSS HTML file. This is a CSS file. This is HTML1, and this is the TS file. All the test coverage we can write in this file. All the test cases. This is the main TS file, and we will declare this new variable message. So we are declaring this message variable so that we will use this in our hello world.html file. So we will bind this variable in our HTML. Let's assign the value hello from Angular 20. So I am giving the permission as I created the new folder. So that's why giving the permission. We will use the h2 tag, and this is a double mustache, also call it interpolation, to print your ts variable into HTML. Now we will copy this component. This is a selector, and we will paste here. So before pasting, let's import our component hello world. I'm not sure why this error is showing. Okay, let's give the permission to this as well. Not sure why this error is coming. Let's see. Okay, let's try without importing hello world component into app.ts file. So I will paste it directly into this HTML. Let's see what happened. There is error. Okay, let's ignore this error. we will run our application first. Again, I am giving this permission to this file. Permission to TS file as well. Let's run our application ng serve and this flag open to open the new window. So this will open into a new window directly. Oh, we got the error. Okay, this is the error. I think we have to import our hello world component into this app.ts file. Now let's check. It worked. Great job done. Today we have set up Angular 20 standalone by using the latest standalone architecture. We explored folder structure and created reusable component. Tomorrow we will explore data binding and make this application more interactive. So don't forget to hit like button and comment below if you got stuck during setup, and subscribe so that you don't miss tomorrow's lesson.